Today I made this pillow for my friend who's going through chemo, and I decided to do a video on it because it makes a great travel pillow or a neck pillow, and it's made with the wool that we have in our shop. So I just used leftover wool that I have, so it's all natural, stuffed with wool with this beautiful African fabric. For this personal size pillow, I'm using some natural wool batting pieces that I have left over from upholstery projects. This is naturalupholstery.com's premium wool batting, and you can see the link below this video to find that, which has this thin spun wool backing that can be stitched or stapled together at the edges after filling it to the thickness you want. The finished size is about 9 inches by 12 inches, and I'll be using this beautiful hand-dyed African fabric from Ghana for the outer fabric. To get the pillow to the thickness I want, I'm sandwiching pieces inside the folded batting piece, cutting the inner pieces a little bit smaller as I fill it out to be fatter in the center than at the edges. When you're ready to bind the edges, you can either hand stitch or staple them together. For this video, I'm going to staple the edges with this plier stapler. And you can actually do this with any desk stapler as well. Before stapling the final edge, you can stuff the corners to where the whole thing feels nice and even with no lumps. Then just finish stapling that open end and you're ready to sew the cover. I have this fabric folded double and I'm cutting the outer cover small enough so the inner pillow will fit in there nice and snug once I have it stitched. Since we're using wool batting, I'm cutting this ticking fabric to the same size as the outer fabric to prevent the wool fibers from migrating through and creating unsightly pilling on the surface. I'll serge the edges and stitch these two layers of fabric together as one piece. The serged edges prevent fraying at the open end, making it easier to hand stitch that final seam. So we have the finished cover and the inner pillow. Now we just turn the cover right side out and tuck the wool pillow insert inside. Before you close it up, check the corners and edges to make sure they have enough stuffing and stuff where it needs it. Then just turn it under, pin it, and I'm going to do a blind stitch on this edge to finish it. Check out my other video on rejuvenating a camper cushion. Just follow the link below this video for a close-up detail on how to do a blind stitch. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe if you found this video helpful.